while driving in the backseat.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, the Lotus Doll Shop's Balanced Lifestyle channel. If you are new here, I'm Vaughn, and to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. So, as the title says, we are going to be doing a cook with me today. I love doing cook with me's because I like to eat, so you know, it just works together. So today we are going to be doing a roasted chicken with tarragon, fennel, and potatoes. Guys, I can't wait to taste this. Tarragon, fennel, wow, yeah. So before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that YouTube can let you know every time I post a new video, and give me a thumbs up. So let's get started. Let's get cooking.
Even when bittersweet. Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic, dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh. Think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh. Think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh. Think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic, dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when
guys, so let's talk about the beautiful finished chicken. Oh my god. Okay, so I just got me a nice young chicken. We've got some white potatoes here with some tarragon, some fennel, which is one of my favorite fall vegetables. Oh my god, a little non-dairy heavy cream. Wow. I'm just, the smell of it alone is wonderful. I just tasted a little bit of the sauce. It is so good. Something about that tarragon and that Dijon mustard and the creaminess is just working together. Y'all know I gotta cut a piece of this and taste it. Let's check it out. Juicy. Oh. Oh, just the tarragon and the Dijon mustard, and then at the end when I hit it with a little bit of that lemon juice. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat. I can't wait to eat. Y'all, oh my god. I can't, you know, I can't stress enough how easy for a weeknight dinner, any night of the week really, this roasted chicken was, and it's so flavorful. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. All right, everybody, as always, I want you to check out my affiliates down below in the description box. Guys, Abella Eyewear, Bright and Smile, The Lip Bar, Cosvaliano Jewelry, Madame Glam, Seductory.com, and Duval Radiant Spin Care System. And guys, I've got a new one on the way, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. The ladies are gonna love it. So make sure you check out the affiliates down below in the description box. Remember, you'll get a discount, I'll get a commission, and the brand and I will be so happy and so grateful that you supported us. Thank you. All right, guys. So I know you're going to be doing some shopping for all of your fall and winter wardrobe needs. Remember to check out the Lotus Doll Shop Boutique on Poshmark at L.A.L, L.A. Guys, we've got some fall sweaters. I got sweaters in the boutique as low as $6 to $8. I've got some pant sets. I've got some dresses. Guys, mix and match in that closet, and you're gonna have so much fun. And the Lotus Doll Shop has got something that you can just keep in your wardrobe, and fall and winter you can just have fun mixing it all up. I'm a 5-star seller, and I do offer next day shipping if you put your order in by 10 p.m. the previous day. I appreciate you guys for checking out the Lotus Doll Shop Boutique on Poshmark at L.A.L, L.A. and make sure you're following the boutique on Instagram at the Lotus Doll Shop. Thank you for your support. All right, guys, I want to thank you so much for checking out my cook with me. I hope you'll try my roasted chicken with tarragon, fennel, and potatoes. It's so delicious. It's calling to me right now as I'm doing this outro. Make sure you subscribe if you have not already. If you're new here, please hit the bell so that YouTube can let you know every time I post a new video. Give me a thumbs up so that I stay within the algorithm, guys. It helps me get pushed to the top, and it helps everybody to discover what I do over here at the LDS Balanced Lifestyle channel. Please share my video with family and friends who may be interested in beauty and lifestyle content. And also, please leave me a comment. I'd like to know who's watching. And make sure you're following me, guys, on Instagram and TikTok at L.Von Loving Life. I hope you had a most enjoyable time, and I'm about to have a delicious time on this here chicken. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.